So, like demo day naman tayo ngayon. So, dito na tayo sa event. Yan. So, kuha tayo mamaya ng drone shot natin. So, tara, explore natin to. Yun, nakakuha na tayo ng ticket natin. Ayan, sakto. Game na game na to. So, soak pa na tayo. Oh, kapreno! Ano ba? Basta!
Sige, Bards.
Master Capreno pala yan eh.
Oo, papagawa ka rin ba nun?
Lupit na yan.
Papagawa ka rin ng ano?
Oo. Siya nakagamot ng sakit ng laruan ko eh. Oh, maganda yung ano niya. Brake cleaning fluid niya. So yan. Burger oh.
Saan ba super?
Para kabahan daw, para kabahan.
Kuya Papay! Excuse me! Scott na ano ito, sa park ganda nga dun sa park. Emoy. tayo ng shorts.
Sure na sure! Sure na sure! Oh, ganda! Ang ganda na sa'yo! Ayun, thank you, sir. Medyo sa iba pa. Yung ano ko? Station na kayo. And from there, we can serve
Ito. Courier. Hindi na. Kasama mo. Tara kasama mo.
Most of the people, they buy their own
Cola.
booze from the regular
Patay ng bata si Boss Mark.
Hindi na makakalabas yan eh.
Nakalabas. Ayun ang umaga dapat siya.
Wala, naguulan nga kanina eh.
Ayun nga, kaya hindi siya nakalabas.
Kaya ngayon nga lang din ako pumunta eh.
Yung umaga daw, siya ang lalabas.
Oh.
Tapos paghapon si Macy's. Kaya hindi na siya nakalabas.
Walang mura. Parang, ha? Ganun din. Parang mamahal pa rin ang ano. Kunti lang binaba nila.
I would love to
Yung iba, malaki discount. Gulong, helmet.
Alin?
How do we join your
Kaya kinino murang gulong ngayon?
your events?
Kay
Can we be able
Supreme
to
Bikes
join
ata,
your
sa
party?
mga Victoria.
Are those
Oh?
friends of
Tapos
yours, the
kay
promoters of the party?
Bikezilla, yung
Yes,
mga-
so they party hard.
Yung helmet sa sapatos kay Dance. Looks like 50% o 50%.
Dance? Saan ba si Dance mo?
They're scary.
Sige, ikot ka muna ako. Ano natin?
Nakarating ka lang ba?
Oo.
Anyway,
Bike ka.
Ha?
Bike ka.
Oh, dyan na naman kondo eh. Sige. Ano?
Because we want to always follow you guys. This is
Ito.
supporting the bike demo. Our part
Saan?
is to support the
Ikot.
movement. Maybe we can bring our crowd.
Ito, booster siyo. Ate, pwede makiburaot. Tingin dalawa. Oo naman ate. Dalawin mo na. Para ano? Yan. Thank you. Para ano? Sa akin, 50 pesos din to. Walang green. Walang green. Sige, thank you. Tayo. Ito. Ito. Yan ito ah. Brothers ah. Mamutang ko na pangalan ng mga tropa sa bike community. Ito. Downward. Wow, it's rin. Ito. Speed trail.
Will throw a party this side, and they're gonna give all of you some free beers.
Free beer!
Are you ready? So, Boost Statement, you know how to party, and you brought a party here with us. Even on a wonderful cloudy day, you bring the sun out. Thank you so much, guys, for bringing such an excitement. Once again, invite our friends to be part of the Boost Statement community.
Right, yeah. So once again, I'm Alec, and I'll be happy, and it's my honor to welcome you all guys sa booth namin, and follow us sa mga media pages namin at the Brood Statement. And then guys, support local craft, support local craftsmanship, follow your passion, and always
Nga tayo dito.
in kids we trust.
There you
Like
go!
we trust, follow your passion.
And in Kicks, we trust. So you guys get yourself a nice Brew Statement cup of beer, and let's all celebrate December 1, 2024, the start of Christmas. Nothing less than just the best. Brew Statement. You guys are awesome. Let the party begin.
Brother, magkano ano mo ngayon?
Cheers.
Ano ba to? Mark 4 ba to? Machete. Ha? 29 ano?
All right, okay.
Ito, 29.
Guys, okay, we have 4 bicycles to
27 lahat?
raffle off.
Walang 29?
4 bicycles to raffle off. Now, we have to announce that the tickets now are priced at 110 pesos. If you want to join buy more, you can buy more tickets.
Taas
Buy more
straight.
than 100 pesos na lang. This will raffle off the bikes
Straight.
in a few
Ayan.
minutes.
Sige, brother, thank you.
Apat na bisikleta yan. Also, we will be extending the sales by an hour, okay?
because a lot of the bikers out there are requesting the please, because of the earlier rains, kung pwede daw, isumabol sila. Now, I think this is something that's pretty okay, but if it's not okay for all
Raffle.
the silvers, at maybe finals you can close up on the rest.
Habol tayo sa
please accept
raffle.
a little bit. Kawawa naman yung mga siklista.
Everybody
Underway.
Habol sa Rabo.
Okay, guys.
The party has begun.
Adero.
I know.
Habol sa Rabon.
Please buy more tickets. 100 pesos only at the registration. I'm requesting the guys from registration to bring the shirts and the tickets here in front na rin. You can sell it here na rin. Registration, send someone to sell the tickets near the stage, please.
Alright, Arnett, you seem to have made the announcement. The party has begun. We're giving out some stuff. And we have begun the awesome day that is day 2 of the Philippine Bicycle Demo and Expo.
And you know what? There's so many people running coming after. Amazing.
Ang daming hahabol pa eh.
Travel.
Huwag muna raw magsarating tahan.
Wag muna.
Ah, ito yung
Oh my
Victoria ng
goodness, our
mura.
boys are here to celebrate with us. Please put your raffle stubs inside the raffle tapiolo. Get some chocolate flavored beer, people, and enjoy tonight.
Here, gonna go and sit in a bit. Because tayo sa bike demo, inuubos ang ating collateral.
So, Mike Demo, well, how much is the shirt? Or
Saan yung mga 50% mo, sir?
how much is the shirt? And
Ah, helmet na. Okay. Ako 50% sa gulong.
250 for the caps and 450 for the shirt.
Okay, in a while we'll be announcing huge discounts on the shirt and the cap. Yan na lang ata natira, so you better buy it. Okay, you can buy your tickets dito, mamaya. Mura na lang. 4 na bisikleta. Magkano lang ticket? 100 piso lang. 100 pesos. There's going to be what? 4 bicycles.
4 bikes! 4
Alright,
tickets,
everybody.
4 chances of winning!
Ay, sir.
Pero before that, Arnett, it's time to give some cool stuff from Camelback. These are expensive stuff, but we got some more to give.
Yes, we have
So
to
let's
give
start
out
to give them all a box.
Tayo!
the bag. The bag. Bigyan na daw.
So we're giving away Camelbacks for 3,000 pesos each. Only the real stuff will come from this stage. These are the
Alright, these are all real. Okay, wag po
Camelback.
These are all Camelback.
Hydration backpacks to. Hindi to
Sila.
So be here on stage, buy more tickets, get a chance to win even more and more.
Camelbacks on sale. And here on raffle. On raffle. 4 bicycles.
We're even giving the
Bili kayo
real.
ng ticket. Come on, 100 pesos.
Wow,
Thermal bottles.
100 pesos only. Okay, now write your name. Ball pen. Okay, Jenna. I need to assign. Make sure that Archie and Jenna will hold the. Thank you. Here. 100 pesos for the ticket. Buy it here. 4 bicycles, everybody. 4.
Ah, magkano isang 7?
Dapat. And a bisikleta.
It's a turn.
Dapat a bisikleta pang forever.
Forever bike.
Forever. Isang turn.
Sabi nila, wala daw forever, pero tayo merong 4.
Tatlong forever. Isang turn around.
Tatlong forever is a
Turn around.
Ay.
the party has begun.
Alright, everybody, buy your tickets. Come on. 100. Write your name on it. Write your name.
Antique.
You better write your name on those tickets, everybody. Just 100 pesos. 4 na bisikleta yan. 4.
Grabe, apat.
4 na bisikleta po yan. Buy as many tickets as you can, as you want, okay?
The more
Bye.
entry stubs, the more chances for you to win. So get your entry stubs now. Add some more chances.
Okay.
maybe it's your turn to
I
take it
make
home.
a judgment call. The shirts are now just 350 pesos. And the caps are just what? Make it 150 pesos. Okay?
150 na lang yung cap.
Trigger.
Alright, more people buying that. The cap is just 150 pesos. The shirt is now just what? 350 pesos.
Turn.
T-shirt, 350.
350.
Come on! Basta!
If you're borrowing a buck, the bike borrowing or demoing is old buck. So if you're still like, kindly return the bikes with respect to the owners. Yes,
Ilang holes sir? 32, 36. Ano nga cut eye nila ano? Cut eye. Ano cut eye nila?
Always Stephen.
Ano?
Our photo op.
Yeah, this is a bike what? Bike mount for your spinning. Bike trainer, it's a bike trainer. Okay, kailangan ko tapos, okay. Pwede pa ba si Justin sumama? Sige na.
Mura-mura.
Di ba it's really so lucky?
Magkano yung first XC nyo?
Ayan na bisikleta para
First
sa
XC.
Philippine Cycling Community. Ayan pa, Bulldog! Thank you, Bulldog Brewing, for the beer that will be raffled off. We have 3 pack here. 3 pack. Alright.
Anong pinagkaiba niya? Ito, racing line to. Ito, mas makapal. Kaya mas mabigat to.
Pero brandi yan, hindi putin. Alright, a giant bicycle.
Itong racing line. Course na racing line.
Ayan. Alright,
XC.
yes, we'll give you bike. Wonderful. Thank you.
Same lang. Kasi 225. Walang 235 ano?
Yes. 240.
Malaki na masyado yung knobs eh. Pang XC lang naman. Sige bro, ikot mo na ako. Sige. Sarap mo naman.
Alright, everybody. Again, 6 na bisikleta. 6. Sais.
Nakasama mo Lar. Ha? Saan? Ay ka lang?
This is Giant Talon from Philip Bicycles, worth about 22,000 pesos ata to.
Tagal ng rapol.
22,000. 22,000 pesos. 1 bicycle, 2 bicycles siya. And this is
Sagot mo na ako.
Forever Bikes, which are priced at about 12 to 14,000. From 1 OC Marketed and 1 from Cycle as well. So dito, they're nice bikes to put it up front. No? Medyo, oh, bisikleta baka mo, in. So how many bicycles are you giving out? We're giving out what? 2, 3? We have given out 3.
Ito, meron.
So we're giving out total of 10 bicycles at the Philippine Bicycle Demo Expo 2024 here at TTV.
Magkano na ganito mo? Ha?
Ay, sabi ni Philippine Jacket. Naku po! Good luck sa inyo! Nabili na ang race.
May ano ka dyan? Large o XL?
Large dito, sir.
Hindi, yung gantong kulay ba? Para pwede pang uniforme. Wala ka
Available yung ano?
Oh, sayang. Wala, ala.
Parang wala tayong isang. Time is short. Parang wala tayong forever.
So, ayos. Maliit.
Sulat yung pangalan nyo, sulat madali tayo. We're only given one. Let's say 10 seconds lang. Dapat sumigaw ka agad, okay? Alright, 10 seconds lang.
Anong XL meron, brother?
10 seconds.
Ang kulay. Huwag naman yung mabilis dumihin at dugyot akong tao.
Ito, sir.
Ito,
Alright, what's the shirt?
may itim ba?
Team, sir.
Wala na, no? Mali talaga punta ko. Mali talaga punta ko. Ito, ano to?
Large pa nga eh.
Large?
Nakahalo lang.
Maliit na large sa akin eh.
Alright, everybody. On your tickets, 100 pesos only. Okay. We are now roughly of 1 bicycle.
Sayang. Wala ka na ibang pantalon dyan?
1 bicycle.
Magkano dito?
Wala.
90
90 pesos.
Naisip ko shirt.
Oh, 550 mo na lang kasi bibili ako 5. 550 mo.
Ano pa lang?
Lugi sa tela pa lang.
Ilang materials pa lang.
Oo. Sayang. Yun nga eh. Ulan kasi kanina eh.
People!
And then traffic. What do you do for the cycling? Look at all this, my friend.
We make it happen. Thank you to One Multi-Partners for supporting this international demo. We have like
Large daw eh.
from One Multi-Partners po dyan. Ito po, patuloy pakiusap. Please consider One Multi-Partners.
Sayang, ganito ko hinahanap ko para pwede pa pang uniforme. Pero pang pamasok ba?
Isipin na lang po natin yung mga kapasitis sa kalsada.
Magturo ka, ganito ka lang. Ito magandang tela eh, yung ganito ba oh. Eh 8A wala eh.
Ito po yung sila mga politiko.
Sayang. Thank you.
Tama po, may kailangan na natin sila. Mas matutulong ito. Pupuntahan po natin sila. Ako, person. Okay, for this.
Grabe, ang dami mo pamimigay, Ernest. May chain ka pa. And you know, this is the latest chain technology.
How many are these? How many are these?
Then you
There's
got
five
your
or six.
camelback. Then you got certificates for the photo.
There's five, diba?
Walang size sa ano, pantalon. Case A pati dito kay Bodo. Kay Courier wala silang ano. Ito may pantalon sila.
There's five, there's five there. May ibig kasi dito.
Ano yan eh, convertible sa shorts,
Okay, there's five camelback there.
5 camelback.
Pero meron sila parang
This is the
stock.
camelback hydration pack. It's not the bottle. The bottle we have.
Okay, let's do this.
We have 5 bottles.
Pantalon ba anak?
Okay, let's give this out. Meron pa tayong limang bisikleta after this.
Makukulay, para pwede sana pamasok.
Everybody, may habol pa ba? 1 minute.
Yung pag naka-uniforme ka, yung parang green ba?
Ah, green?
Oo.
Meron pa ba? 1
Parang
minute.
kono? Odi.
Takbo!
Again, food station.
Ikot-ikot ka muna ako.
For the beers, guys. For allowing the party to
100
start.
pesos lang.
You gotta drink moderately. You are after all in a bike ride.
Sulat yung pangalan yung silkuran. Sana nasulat yung pangalan yung silkuran, ha? Okay. Okay, that's it. Okay. Listen please. Okay, wrap the one bicycle because oras.
Yes.
Alright. Ayun, ho. Alam mo, kaya ito mami. Jenna, hilong ka yan. Okay, already. Hilong na yung lakad.
So 10 seconds lang ha, guys.
Alright.
Yeah, you have to be here. So everyone gather around.
5 seconds.
Only 5. Kasi
5 seconds and you shout your name para nila.
besides, we have too many
Dami. Sorry 5 seconds lang. Away na
Yes, and you have to do the countdown, guys.
Talon. Okay, go! Okay, yan.
Ayaw.
Okay,
Red Canilao, 2748.
Ano pangalan?
3.
Ano pangalan muna? Ay,
Red
go!
Canilao. Please, mas warm up natin.
Marami po. Ano to, cash?
Ayan. So for the first winner, Hannah Ferrer. Hannah Ferrer.
Hannah Ferrer.
Ayun,
Sama mo na.
Wow.
Sama mo na ng ano.
Ayan.
Grabe, si Hannah Ferrer ay magkakaroon ng giant talon. So, responsible we have. Ano? T-shirt pa lang. Ano ba? Ano to? Bike na. Ito na pala.
Anong gusto niyo po? Bike o t-shirt? Bike para sa asawa kong pogi! Paano kami aayaw dyan, di ba? Oh, congratulations! Meron ka giant talent para sa asawa mong pogi!
Nasa kasawa niya. Pakitin natin. Yan na. Yan, the whole family.
Wow, the whole bag is here!
Excuse me, ikaw na naman. You know, she won a camelback earlier on, and now she's on stage again. There are some lucky people when it comes to raffles.
Yeah, that was for raffles.
Applause to all of you guys. Thank you so so much. Congratulations.
Picture muna tayo kay Sir Dan. Kay Sir Dan naman dito sa likod. About face
Yan,
muna
about
tayo.
this tayo. Dito tayo.
Yan.
Photo ops.
Sakit mic.
Turn around. Paus na. Take to na. Thank you so much, Miss Hannah. Enjoy your bike. Marshall Sky Texas, Miss Hannah and Tab. Yan.
Congratulations!